cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Don't give a fuck running through my head.
Sorry to be rude, but you left yourself completely open. Now come on and give me your best shot. I am not finished yet!
It seems you're too proud to admit when you failed.
That's not it!
What?
Now I'll show you the Kaioken! Good old Kaioken. I guess it was worth the risk after all.
And what exactly does this technique do?
It's basically an energy multiplier. This version doubles my strength, speed, and senses, and all the other traits I use in a fight! Super Saiyan Blue is all about power through extreme control. Combining that with the calming focus of the Kaioken, and now there's no telling how high I can go!
His energy keeps shooting higher! It's extraordinary! It's triple, quadruple, no, it's...
Times 10! Kaioken times 10!
No way! So fast! What the?
I don't care how far you push your time skip. It won't stand a chance against what I am now. Now I'll show you the Kaioken! I can't keep this up for long. I gotta end this with one shot!
The Kaioken does amplify his attacks, but it takes a huge toll on him. Do you hear me, Kakarot? I'll destroy everything! Everything!
Uh-oh, I still haven't recovered from the last attack. Come on, body. Don't give out on me now.
I'll reduce this place to ashes!
No, not yet. I'm worn out. It's now or never. Let's see how he likes a Kamehameha.
He's leapt past me once again!
You're mine!
This is it! My time skip has advanced so much you can't keep up with me anymore!
I am not about to give up!
Impossible.
I know it's risky, but there's a big payoff, too. Super Saiyan Blue is all about power through extreme control. Sort of power.
Is it true? It can't be.
Here it comes.
His energy is so calm, it's giving me the creeps.
You are a truly fascinating creature. However, you have nothing more to offer. Your passion... Whoa!